Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the full standing version of Mousy from Roblox Piggy. So once again, here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very easy to draw. We're gonna start out by drawing the overall head shape first. So it's just gonna be one big circle. Alright, so that's the head shape, and then right in the middle, we'll just draw in one circle. So that's gonna be the little nose. And then to finish up the snout area, just come up from the top of this circle, just go up. You can make a little point. And then this is gonna be the top of another bigger circle. Coming all the way down here. Almost to the bottom, but not quite. And then now for the eye, so just come on an angle right here, whatever space you have here. Draw another circle. So same thing here. And let me draw a circle in here, and I'll shade around it. And then this one's gonna be all black. So let me shade this in as well. Okay, and then the cheeks are super easy. Just come out to the side right here. Just draw a little egg shape close to the edge. And then now for the ears are quite large. So come to the side of the eye right here. Just go up, make a little point. Come to the bottom of the eye right here. Come to this side and make another point. So we're gonna start here, we're gonna end on this point here. So it's just gonna be one, almost a full circle. We're gonna go up. And I know this part's a little bit tricky, but just try your best to draw a smooth curve. Okay, so on this side, same thing here. Corner of the eye, go up, make a little point. Bottom of the eye, another point there, and then same thing here, just another big arc. Alright, and then once you have the outer circle, we're going to draw one more inside. So this one's going to be a lot easier. We'll just follow that curve on the outside. And that's gonna give us the ears. Okay, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body is almost the same as the other Piggy characters. You can make two little points here. Come down. So this is gonna be the armpit, and then now we're gonna flare it out. Come to the center here. Just gonna draw one little curve. And then now whatever space you have here, just kind of connect it and just kind of smooth everything out. So it makes it more look like cloth, and then we can add in just a few lines like this, giving some extra creases. Okay, so since we're down here, let's just go ahead and finish up the legs, because it's really simple. So right in the middle right here, I'll come out to the side and just draw two lines down first, and then I'm going to come out here. I'm going to slant down, and before you come all the way down here, just give it a little bit of a bump. That's going to give us the shoe, and then now we can close it off. Okay, so right around here, I'm going to slant down, stop a little short, just one little bump, close it off. Alright, and if you want to add in a little bit more detail, just on this little bump right here, we just curve it inwards. Makes it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Alright, so now let's draw in the arms, and again, here's the armpit. So I'm just going to add a little line like this. Back to the shoulder. Just one little curve. And then now for the rest of the arm, just a really long bracket. Okay, so slight curve. So we're right around here, and then for the hands, really simple. Just come down with a little hook like this. And then whatever space you have here, just kind of go down and then come back up. Alright, so now let's draw on the other side. So the arm part is going to be the same. Here's the armpit coming out. Upper arm. Curve. And then now same thing here. Just a really long bracket. Okay, so now for the hand on this part, it's a little bit different because it's going to be holding on the chain. So we're going to come down right here. Just a wider loop here for the thumb. And then on the back side here, just come out. And then just round this part out. Alright, so now for the chains, it's actually very easy to draw. We're going to start out by drawing a bunch of little links first. So just kind of drawing some tube shapes. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more. 4, and I'll have it curve out. 5. Alright, so I know it looks a little bit strange, but now we'll finish up the chains. So from here, from the second one right here, I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to draw one curve right out there, just kind of following the inside curve. So right here. Okay, so that's one. And now I'm going to go to the, I guess would be the third one right here. Come back to the second one. Just going to curve around this. So just curve around the inside curve. And then now one more back here. And this one's gonna go all the way around, so it's just gonna round it out. And that is it for this Mousy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.